fishing in about 20, almost 30 feet of water. Got Joe Shout's favorite red jig on. As it gets down there, wait for it to hit the bottom, raise it up about 6 inches, and bang, just like that, boys. Get yourself perch. It's crazy. Throw that guy back in. Gotta have stock for years to come. And again, taking the jig, Joe Shout's favorite one. Sorry about that, phone tipped over there. And we'll lower it down. Again, let it just hit the bottom. As soon as she hits the bottom, I reel it up about 2 to 6 inches. Put it right in front of their face down there. Right in front of their face. Oh, missed him. He might have stripped me on that one. We'll see here. Comes back. I'll get him this time. Yeah, there we go. See, guys, it's like taking candy from a baby today out here. Nice perch. Check it out.